Shona, and today I want to answer some questions about our company and our products. Question 1, our simple time and delivery time. Our simple time is 1 hour 2 days. Our delivery time will last for a week. A week is okay. Now question 2, how about our quality and price? As you know, we have 15 years experience, so we have cooperation with a lot of the brands such as Coca-Cola and Hello Kitty and Philips and a lot of the brands. Okay, you can see. And now here is our symbol for Coca-Cola. You can see this. The display is very beautiful and the quality is very good. Question 3, give a new idea to our new customer how to begin the order. Okay, if you have your artwork design, and you can send me your artwork design, and we can depend on your design to start a simple. But don't worry, if you don't have the design, we have the professional designer can help you design. And when the simple is finished, we can begin the mass production. And when the mass production is finished, we can also help you to contact the vendor to help you pick up the goods to your city, to your country,